We have a very unique situation where we're homeless with no house, but we now own 2 RVs. That might sound crazy, but
because it is.
Well, it is, but we had originally bought this 1999 Minnie Winnie back in September of 23 with full plans of going to Alaska in it for 2024. But due to unforeseen circumstances, we were delayed and now are going in 2025. But it works out perfectly because we actually get to really know the Minnie Winnie and get to use it as we head up here to the UP. Joel has never been, and I was when I was a kid, and the last time I was in the UP was in 1996. My sister has inherited all of our family keepsake and found some pictures for me, and part of my mom's family was originally settled in the UP and was workers in the mines up here in Calumet, Michigan. So I might try to go back and find those exact locations where I got my picture taken with my great aunt and my mom back in '96. So hopefully we find that. Right now,
It's probably changed.
it probably has. Things might be a little different. But right now we are about an hour out of the first campground we're staying at, which is Schomberg County Park outside of Hurley, Wisconsin. And we're going to meet up with some of my favorite relatives, Bob and Marge, for dinner and hanging out with them for this weekend.
Looking forward to that.
Yes, it's always a good time up in Hurley. So let's get the road. Imagine that, you found construction.
Yep, I always do.
Must be a festival or something.
Minneago in the summertime.
Oh, it's a car show. Car and boat show.
Car and boat show.
Yeah. Some of these little towns got some stuff going on in the summer.
Lots of little festivals,
So
craft shows.
we're gonna put how to spell the name of this town down here. You try to pronounce it, and we'll let you know if you said it right or not. Just kidding. It's Minneago. You're never gonna get it right.
Some people late.
We're just going through a little town called Manitowish. We're going through Manitowish waters, and it reminds me of a camping trip that we went on when we were first married, and we canoed into the flowage, and it took us 2 days to get there, and then there was a huge storm, but the best thing is that Joel forgot our blow-up mattress. You remember the pump, which worked out really well for our friends that were with us because they had planned on blowing up their queen-size air mattress by mouth or whatever. So luckily we had a air compressor that they could use, and we ended up having to sleep on the ground. So let me know in the comments what's the worst thing when you went camping or on a trip that you forgot.
And as you can see, I've never lived it down.
No. Remember the time you forgot the air mattress?
gonna have to stop driving through this town because it reminds her every time.
Oh. All right, we made it. We're all set up. We're gonna go meet my relatives for a drink and for some dinner. Maya's gonna be hanging out in the RV here. Beautiful spot. Gotta love the Northwoods. All right, guys, this one's just a little bit off the beaten path.
Or a lot.
You have to take a road for 8.5 miles, dirt, to get to this one.
Takes you about 20 minutes.
Yeah,
But
it's
fun.
Willy still in the middle of nowhere, up in the northern Wisconsin, Hurley area.
Just off of Island Lake.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get a drink.
We're gonna go get a drink. We've been here numerous times. You can reach this by UTV, ATV, snowmobiles in the winter, or car. But the best thing is my relatives live right here on the lake. So we've been here numerous times before. We can't wait to show you this one. Willy's Still Bar may be situated in the middle of nowhere in Hurley, Wisconsin, but it offers so much more than meets the eye. Step in history, offering authentic Northwoods experience and providing warm hospitality. This treasure is worth a journey to experience a unique blend of flavors, sounds, and memories. While you're at Willy's Still, don't forget to hang your very own dollar bill on the wall. We installed ours above a spotted cow sign, and if you're there, take a picture and tag us on Facebook or Instagram. We'd love to see you enjoying Willy's Still also. Sorry, I had to look. Oh, look at the fireplace going.
You lost your step.
I did. There's a step down.
Oh, it's raining.
And it's raining.
Uh-oh. It wasn't supposed to rain.
It wasn't supposed to rain.
Good thing we closed the windows for Maya.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys, that 8.5 or 8.8 mile drive out on the dirt roads is always worth it.
Totally worth it. The owner here is awesome. The bar is awesome. The bartenders are great. And friends and family too.
Yes. And if you hit this on the right day, they have live music outside, and right that way is Island Lake, which is just beautiful. If you can get a pontoon ride on that, we highly recommend that too.
Now we're going to go eat.
All right.
Woo-hoo.
Oh, speaking of the devils.
So the only thing about driving 8-point-some miles on the dirt roads to get here, your car's going to look like this. And we got 8.5 miles to go back.
All right, how'd the first night go in Minnie Winnie?
It went pretty well. Getting used to the bed was a little thing because Maya wanted to be up there all the time. So figuring out that room, but it slept pretty good.
Yeah, and as I was crawling into bed, I discovered that the window hadn't shut and locked all the way, and water. The bed luckily wasn't wet, just the comforter along the wall. So we have that all dried out, and we're just about to leave to go to my relative's house, and I discovered water underneath the sink, but we can't figure out where that's coming from, so we've strategically put cups up, got everything out from under there, but every time we turn the water on and stuff, it wouldn't leak.
Yeah,
so we don't know, but we're figuring this out as we go. So let's go have fun.
Let's do it.
So we did shut the water off, the water pump off before we left here. So we know there will be no more water leaking as we go, right, Maya?
Maya, get in the back.
So get in the back. So
Thank
Maya
you.
gets to come with, and hopefully she gets to go swimming.
Dock jumping again. She hasn't done this in a while. Gotta go around.
That was a poor throw, Maya. Yeah, even I'll admit that was a really bad throw. Operating the GoPro, trying to get the wet toy from the dog. But this is awesome. I think she might sleep well tonight. What do you think, Maya? Yeah. Oh, she's loving it, loving it, loving it. What an amazing, wonderful visit with my relatives, Bob and Marge. I think the one who had the most fun, as always, because she normally does, is Maya. She got to go swimming, even though she wasn't supposed to at the time, and then we just let her.
And then nice pontoon ride when the weather cleared up. Great
so
steak
beautiful.
dinner that Bob cooked up.
And I said, we just love these guys so much. And we always have an amazing time. But now we're gonna go back, relax in the RV. And I think Maya's gonna sleep for about a week.
And the mosquitoes are no joke here on Island Lake, that's for sure.
No, they're not. I think I've got one right there right now. All right, bug spray is your friend in the Northwoods of Wisconsin.
Luckily they're not quite as bad back at our campsite, but still not gonna be able to sit outside, I don't think, today.
No, and there's no sitting outside here. Site. We're in site 9 here, and it's 30 amp.
30 amp, yep.
No water, no sewer.
water, no sewer, but there is dump station and obviously water to fill. Come on, Mike, get out of the tree.
We're all by ourselves. There's no one else in the campground now. Weekenders are gone, and we're all by ourselves. Who sings it? Let me know in the comments. It's clearly not me.
What's that?
It's clearly not me that sings that song.
No.
And Joe's got a mosquito right on his cheek.
The skeeters are...
No joke.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are packing up and ready to go. Second night here in the Minnie Winnie was much better. But this morning we got a lot of rain, and this window once again wasn't shut all the way, so now my pillow's wet, but none of the rest of the bed was. It was this caught, so it'll dry out as we drive, right, Maya? And hopefully be dry by tonight. Otherwise, we had a wonderful stay here in the Hurley, Wisconsin area at Schomberg County Park. It was $28 a night. The only thing is that was the downfall here is the mosquitoes are horrendous right now. So bring that bug spray, and we're about to unplug from power and let's hit the road. How's it going?
Getting killed by mosquitoes.
All right, I think I'm going to spray him down. He seems to attract them more than anybody else I know. Well, he is attractive, so I guess that'd be why. Hopefully the sprinkling will scare the mosquitoes away.
Yeah, wishful thinking. Give myself much room to work with today. about the skeeters?
They're horrible. We have lived in Wisconsin our whole life, and I have never ever seen mosquitoes like this. This is bad. Let's hopefully they didn't move and migrate to Michigan. I'm just zipping all the way up or whatever to give myself some protection from these bugs. Even though we have bug spray on, it doesn't seem to be working. But Schomberg Park brings back memories. Staying here, as it was our first shakedown trip actually in our Tiffin. We stayed here. We ended up with a flat tire, and it's one of our originally first videos that we ever put out. If you want to help us out, go back and watch that one and laugh at us back then when we still don't know what we're doing as a YouTube channel, but that we definitely didn't know. But our flat tire experience here in the middle of nowhere was definitely something to learn from on one of our first trips out. And just remember, no matter how long you've been doing this, and we've been doing it for 3 years now, it's always an experience, and you're always learning as you go. We're gonna now move from the dump station over to the freshwater fill, get that, as we have only power only when we get up to Porcupine Mountain State Park in Michigan. So we're gonna fill, and we have about an hour and 15-minute drive. But this is the site we stayed on right here the first time we were here. All right, let's fill up with water.
We get filtered water.
So like Joel said, we got filtered water. We want to make sure also that the pressure coming out of this isn't too much and blows the lines in the RV. So it's always safety first when it comes to filling your tanks. Oh, that's right. You gotta hold that down.
Hold this down, I guess.
All right, we got water coming out.
Okay, watch how it usually shoots out.
Oh.
If we're full.
Look at the bites on the back of that guy's neck.
I got bites everywhere.
Oh, the mosquitoes are brutal. Do you have any blood left?
I don't know. I don't think so.
No, we're just gonna
And I'm soaking wet.
clean sweep for bugs, keep spraying and killing those, and all right, goodbye Schomberg Park in Wisconsin.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Now let's head to Michigan.
Porcupine Mountain Park or something.
State Park. I think it's Porcupine Wilderness State Park.
Yes.
Well, let's go. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Thanks for coming along with us.
We don't know why.
No.
But thank you. We hope you enjoyed following along on our journey and can't wait to share more RVing adventures with you, especially in our 1999 Minnie Winnie. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and happy travels.